Hello, Kenneth Travis here, your hometown mortgage and real estate expert, coming to you with another weekly tip. Check it out. Over the last couple of months, we've received several referrals, and I've had several phone calls with clients and realtors alike asking me, Kenneth, how can you get these transactions done when other companies can't? And it's a real simple question, and the answer to that question, and it's retail versus being a banker and or a broker. We actually, at Travis Mortgage, we're a banker and we're a broker. We hold a dual hat there. And then the retail is just retail. And retail's not bad. Retail's good. There's a lot of retail companies in the East Texas area, good companies. But they are limited somewhat on what they can do. Retails typically have one underwriter, which equals one decision. So once an underwriting decision has been made, that's it. There's not the ability to go out and give that loan another look at another relationship or another underwriter, so to speak. A lot of times on the retail side, the interest rates are going to be 1/4 to up to 0.5% higher. That's just the way it is because the retail side of it, the infrastructure of that company, they've got to be compensated for setting that up and providing tools and services available to their employees. Their fees are somewhat competitive in most cases, so they're, on the retail side, the fees are just competitive as they are with most companies out there, and a lot of that's because their rates are a little bit higher, okay, so they can be competitive on fees. Now on the brokerage side and the banker side, a banker basically is I've got warehouse lines, Travis Mortgage, where we fund these loans and we turn around and transfer them to the secondary market. And then the brokerage side, of course, are a lot of times, sometimes we have files that might be outside the box, or it's kind of a different scenario, and it won't go on the banker side for whatever reason. It's not cookie cutter transaction. And so a lot of those will broker, okay? We've got several relationships with broker investors on the wholesale side, and we can sell these loans to them, and they'll certainly take them, that may not be perfect transactions. So that basically gives us multiple underwriters, okay? So if one underwriter says no, even if it's on the banker side, well, we might be able to go and find an underwriter with another investor that might say yes and may not have some, may have some looser guidelines. The rates a lot of times are lower than the retail side, almost every time. And what we've seen over the last year is our rates have really been sticking about 0.5% to 1/4%. Most times 1/4%, but we've seen them up to 1/2. The fees are lower most of the time. Flexible guidelines, we talked about that. Just, there's more programs, various programs that are out there. I talked about that right down here. Various loan programs that are out there. And then, of course, fast closing dates and times. So, I wanted to kind of sum that up because we've gotten a lot of those questions recently, and I just really wanted to get that out there on kind of what the difference was between the two and kind of what differentiates us from the bigger retail companies that are out there and why they can do things why we can do things that they can't. So anyway, I hope that this tip was certainly beneficial to you, whether you're buying or selling a house, or maybe you've got clients that are looking for houses if you're a realtor. But we definitely wanted to put that out there for you and just kind of educate consumers and professionals alike. So with that said, if you have any questions, feel free to call the number below or above. I never know where Blake's going to put it. So 903-331-0892. And listen, forward this to your family, friends, and coworkers. Send it out to whoever you want to. That's what these videos are for, about educating communities and consumers out there and educating ourselves. And then also, feel free to comment below. If you comment, you will be entered into next week's drawing, and we're definitely going to be giving away a prize away for that, okay? And until next time, make it a great day, and we hope to see you soon.
I hope you enjoyed the tip this week. This week's winner is Kelly Clayton. Money! Make sure you comment below for next week's drawing of $50. That's $50. Yeah, make you holla. You like it? Oh, yeah. Check back next week when we announce another winner. Thanks again and have a great week.